Get ready to hit the gas. Today we're taking a deep dive into the Hosim 110 X05 RC car. This monster truck is a dream come true for both kids and adults. Maybe I'll talk to you about that at the end. It's supposed to have incredible speed along with rugged terrain capabilities, a waterproof design, which is an absolutely perfect companion for any outdoor adventure. In this video, we're going to do a speed test. We're going to see how fast it goes. We're going to check the off-road performance, can it conquer any terrain. We're going to look at the durability, how tough is it. We're going to talk about the features, a closer look into those cool features. Why don't we go over some of those right now? So this is a 1/10 scale, and I will call it a legit 1/10 scale, which is on the larger size of basic RCs. It's supposed to go 48 kilometers an hour. It's 4x4. It's waterproof, and they're considering it to be hobby grade. It's got a 390 brushless motor, which should provide some reasonable power at this price point. It's got LED lighting system. It's got all-terrain tires. It's got a 30 amp ESC along with a 3 kilogram servo. The RC comes with two 1500 milliamp hour batteries. These are 2S batteries. The shocks on this are maybe one of the weaker points in that they are clearly friction, not oil-filled shocks. If you haven't done so already, remember to like and subscribe. Put in the comments what you're thinking about doing with this RC. You've watched the crashing, the bashing, the flying, all that kind of stuff. Let's stop this for a moment and go see what I thought of the overall experience. Just as a reminder, there's always a link below if you're interested in this. Helps the channel out a lot. Let's go see what I thought. I'm dodging a hurricane here, so I'm going to get this review done real quick, let you know what I think of it. And if you happen to disagree, put a comment below. Let me know why you either think this is the most amazing RC or why you think it's a piece of junk. Because I'm going to tell you right now, I am right in the middle. This is not a piece of junk. It is a competent, very beginner RC, and it is not amazing either. Here's my positives on it. Easy to run. Goes relatively fast. The controls are easy, straightforward. It looks amazing. That's my best amazing thing. I love the shape of this body. Something about it really works for me. I have two negatives, right? Number one, which is a little minor and predictable at its price point, it is grossly underpowered. Yeah, I found it to be grossly underpowered. Just slow for what it is. You get so used to these brushless, super fast things which cost more than this, but not insane amounts more, but they are insane amounts faster, right? So you're definitely paying less, but you're paying a little bit of a price, which I think if you're getting this for a gift for like a kid and their first RC car, something like that, doesn't matter. But if you're a big kid like me and you're buying this because you want to have it for some fun and that kind of stuff, it's definitely a little on the slow side. No, it's way on the slow side. The suspension is fine. It's a friction suspension. It bounces as we would all expect. Steering was good, was spot on. I did have one solder point which fell apart on me. I just took 2 seconds to fix it, but that, I will tell you, did come that way. And then the only mechanical problem I have here is I tossed the drive shaft. It took a like weird bouncy land. As you can see, this thing, as my RCs go, this is about as in perfect condition as they ever get, and it still threw this out. It is not a big deal. I believe 2 screws and I could fix that, no big deal. Nothing's broken. It just popped out when it took an awkward landing, which I think is part of what happens when you have the flexible plastic drive shafts and plastic A-arms and plastic drive shafts and that kind of stuff, which is a little bit on a good side because like if you're a kid and you're learning and you're crashing and that kind of stuff, you don't want to physically break things. So this way it just kind of flexes, pops out, pop it right back in, you're ready to go, and nothing is really truly broken. Anyway, I'm gonna give this, for what it is, for a cheap beginner thing that looks super cool, I think they've nailed that. So I'm gonna give that a 4 out of 5 on the Doug score. If you're looking for something that's gonna make you giggle and it's so cool and so fun and so fast, this would get a 1 out of 5 on that one, but that's not really what it's designed to be. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful. See you next time.